When I heard the Mobee app was shutting down, I thought this type of side hustle might be in trouble, but after looking at what's happening across the gig economy, I actually think the exact opposite is true. Mobee may be gone, but this type of work is just getting started. Now, with Mobee shutting down, I'm getting a lot of comments about people being concerned if there's not going to be any jobs on any other apps. But through my research, I found that that's not true. Other apps like Field Agent and Observer are expanding. And the reason Mobee shut down wasn't because it wasn't a good app. It wasn't because people didn't like the app or the concept didn't work. It was just decided by the parent company that it wasn't worth it for that specific company to keep going. But other apps like Field Agent, where all they do is one app and is growing like crazy. I've done so many jobs over the past couple of days on Field Agent. The work didn't disappear. Companies still need people to go into the store physically and verify displays, check pricing, take shelf photos, look for damaged products or displays, audit promotions and sales. The jobs did not disappear just because one app did. The companies still need all of this information. So if you look at Field Agent, at least in my area, it's been super busy over the past couple of days. In the beginning of the month, Field Agent is always really busy. You could get gigs all throughout the day. I did about 10 gigs at a couple of different Costco's all at the same store. So Field Agent really isn't going anywhere. And then other apps are also growing and doing similar stuff like Survey Merchandiser. This one is a more involved one. You're going to do more like routes. You're going to do much higher paying jobs, but some of it involves having stuff shipped to your house. So if you want to take this type of work more seriously and kind of like a real business or a real job, definitely check out Survey Merchandiser because it is a great app. And even brand new apps, one I just tested and I'm going to be making more reviews on it, is Heatail Retail. And this is a great app to add if you're already going to the stores like Walmart and Target. They have a bunch of different gigs on there, and new apps come, and then old apps disappear. I've been doing this for the past 8 years, and a whole bunch of apps that I really liked are gone. But now there are some new ones. Even DoorDash is investing into store photo audit jobs. In some markets, people were receiving these type of jobs, and if a big company like DoorDash is testing it out, it's a really good sign that these store audits, store walkthroughs really aren't going anywhere. And my biggest takeaway is never rely on just one app. If you want to make money in this line of work, I recommend using multiple apps, 3, 4, 5 apps. Every app you find in your area, you should test it out and see if it's worth it. And if you want to see me test out the newest app I tried, Heatail Retail, check out this video over here.